Hello everyone, I am going to play this game called Marvel DC something else. Yeah. So what you gotta do is that if there's too much lag, you want to go in a smaller server, and I'm going to have too much lag, so I'm going in a smaller server. So what you want to do is click spawn. Then you can pick a hero, like you gotta click on them. You could pick villains as well. Like, I'm gonna go with Deadpool. He's pretty neat. Oh yeah, some savers. It does a lot of damage. He can sprint like that. He can heal. Oh, cool. He has guns. Oh, double Deadpool. You wanna go? Come on, Deadpool. Yeah, got him. Can I kill him with the sniper? Oh, yeah. That's Flash right there. Come on, boy. Come on. Bring it. Oh, Thor's good. No, bro. We can talk about this. No, thanks. Bomb. Bowdy. Oh, okay. Come on, bring it, loser. His name is Loser. That was a coincidence. Oh my god. How is Deadpool so OP, bro? Bro. Deadpool is so OP. I'll just get Thor real quick. Right there. Come on, loser. Bam! It's loser again. Come on, bro. Bring it, bro. Oh, that was a sweet karma, bro. Bye, my man. Pew. He can fly. What? Where's he got? What? That was a lag right there. Ooh, I like it. I think I might go. Oh, Deadpool right here. Deadpool, come on, bro. I'm up for the battle. Bam. Okay. No, I died. I'll pick a different superhero this time. I'm a noob. Why am I a noob? This is uncomfortable. I'm a noob. Why do I have to be a noob? Okay, who will I be? I will be... Well, Iron Man's the best, but he's not cool, though. I'll go with Green Arrow. I never tried him before. Ooh, that's sick. Arrows. 2. What does 2 do? Oh, that is so OP. Oof. Oh no, what you doing? Oi, mister, stop it. Stop it, or else I'll kill you. Come here, come at me. Come at me, bro. Oh my god, that does a ton of damage. Oh my god. Pew. Can I kill him? Come on, boy. Come on, bro. Come on, all he needs is a few HP. He's on a few HP, bro. No. Wait, what? Oh, that was so... Ready. Come on. Okay, he does a lot of damage. Oh my god, I'm going as Hulk this time. That is so OP, like, so quick. Oh my god, that's big. That's big right there. 2, punch. Throw in the car. Bam! Oh, that's kind of cool. Boom! What? Bam! Come on! Bring it! Bam! I can see you right there. I can see you. Come on! Bring it! Fool! Bring it, fool! Bam! Bam! Ah! Ah! Come on! Bring it! Oh my god! Who? Oh, oh my god! Who's this? Who's the? Oh, what? Oh my god! I didn't know he had that ability. Hulk! No, there's another Hulk. Bam! Bam! Super Hulk! Bam! 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 Oh yeah, no, that was nice. That was nice. Ah, no, what? Oh, I thought I just died. Bam! Bam! I keep missing him. Bam! Get him! Get him! Get him! Hey! That was sick. Who's shooting me? Deadpool? Oh, Deadpool right there. No, 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 bro. We can talk about this. Bro, we can talk about this. We can talk about this. Hey, come at me, bro. Come at me. Bam! Come on! Come on! Bring it! Bring it, fool! Poof! You're supposed to. Yeah! Oh my! Who the hell? Whoa! That is OP. Really? Ooh, it's Ultron. Oh my gosh. Whoa. You can deal with them. Oh, that's OP. Oh my god. Come on, bring it. Fool. Bam. 4-2. Oh, nice. Who's fighting? There's someone over here. Oh, Nightcrawler, no. Nightcrawler's so... I forgot how good a Nightcrawler was. What a wow. Wow, man. Hulk. Come on, bro. Bam. Four. Ah, that was good. Oh, I can fly. Didn't know I could fly. Whee! I can fly. Bam. Ooh. One. Come on. He killed me from a mile away, bro. Okay, who will I be? I will be Flash. Don't try him yet. Ooh. Oh my. I have super speed. Oh yeah, this is kind of cool. Make circles around my homies. Okay, let's see who we can find. Over here. Ooh. Hey, mister. Come on. Boom. Oh! Hey! No. Whoa. No. Bro. Bro, what are you talking about, man? Boy! Get off of him! Hey, man. Man. Hey, you kill him, bro. You kill him. Kill my man. Bam. Kill him. Ah. Yeah. Trying to make friends here. Yeah. How want to be Spider-Man. Give me, yeah, give me. Kill me. Kill me. Yeah. Nah, I'm too lazy. I'll just reset my character. Okay. I'll be Spider-Man. I saw him there and it looked pretty cool. Okay. Spider-Man. Here we go. What does this do? Oh! What does this do? Okay. Oh! Oh, hi. Are you scared of me? Or are you scared of me? See ya! Okay. Somehow, this is the Oma. I'm Spider-Man right here. Oh, this is sick. Sweet. Come on. Hey, bro. I'm a spider. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so I will end the video here, and I hope I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.